And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to lock files or folders with a password on your Windows or Mac. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as you can see, I am using a MacBook. All I need to do is simply go to the Finder section. So once you go in the Finder, all you gotta do is simply tap on the file that you want to encrypt or make private. So once you tap on it, you can simply go in the so once you tap on it, you can find the encrypt option right over there, and you can simply type it into an encrypted file, which will help you get a password for that. So if you don't find this option, then you can simply go to your app store or install any of the third-party apps like Encrypto or stuff like that, which will help you to simply encrypt your files and folders with password in your MacBook or Windows. So this is how you can simply do that. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.